Preventable death and the pH miracle diet. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention evaluates several health factors when it compiles its list of preventable causes of death. Among the expected conditions on the list was death from tobacco, death from alcohol consumption and death from drugs. However, surprisingly, poor diet and lack of physical activity is the number 2 cause of preventable death in the U.S. It is poised to take over the number 1 spot from tobacco in the coming years. Poor diet and lack of exercise currently count for 16.6% of total deaths, or 400,000 deaths in the United States each year. Yet the last 20 to 30 years have been marked with an increased interest in dieting and exercise. Most adults, especially women, claim they are on diets at least once a year. Despite this commitment, the nation is continuing to get fatter. Obesity rates are at an all-time high, and childhood obesity is on the rise for the first time. If many people are on diets, but the vast majority of the population is still overweight and unhealthy, the problem lies with the diets that people are trying. The pH Miracle diet addresses the missing ingredient in today's diet that is causing people to gain weight even when they think they are eating healthfully. Conventional diets disregard the body's natural pH. They encourage eating a variety of foods that are acidic to the body. Low-fat diets fail because they often substitute sugar for fat. They also allow processed grain products, dairy products and acidifying vegetables. Low-carbohydrate diets fail because they emphasize meat and other dairy proteins, which knock the body's natural pH off balance. Dr. Robert Young, the creator of the pH Miracle diet, explains that the best diet will address the pH factor. The body has a pH of 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. Eating alkaline foods and taking steps to reduce stress will help bring the body back into balance. Many of the conditions that people suffer from are a result of too much acidic waste in the body. This acidic waste builds up when you eat acid-producing foods, experience a lot of stress and ignore your body's need for exercise. Alkalizing the body with the pH Miracle diet will bring your bodily pH back to normal and will give you relief from a variety of symptoms. However, you cannot alkalize your body if you continue to drink or eat high-sugar drinks and fruits. Drinking alcohol will also disrupt the pH of your system, as will drinking coffee, soda and teas. The best beverage to drink for alkalizing is ionized water. Starchy foods like potatoes, pasta and pieces of bread all break down to sugar and then produce acid waste that collects in the body. Eating any of the animal proteins, chicken, beef, pork, lamb etc., will create excess acid waste in your body as well. Dairy products have concentrated sugars that break down into lactic acid, which creates acidic waste. Non-food-related behaviors also increase the level of acidity in the body. If you don't exercise regularly, you are allowed acids to build up in your tissues. These acids increase your fat production and cause lethargy. The solution for the acidic waste and the cure for the second most prevalent preventable disease both lay in some simple steps. Eat whole, natural unprocessed foods as the basis for your diet. You should emphasize alkalizing green foods, which have the vitamins, minerals and nutrients your body needs to restore balance. Drinking pH alkaline water will help, as will daily exercise. You need to get out there and get moving to release the excess acid from your body.